You guys, we are eating fast food for the entire day. All day, every meal, fast food. So like, I mean, I literally probably haven't had like real fast food since college, and I have like PTSD from like hungover drunk nights out, like Jack in the Boxing. That was it.
I used to eat like pancake or French toast things at Burger King, and like, why would Burger King even have those? But they do.
I don't know, but it's been years, like years. So I'm actually very, very nervous because I have no idea what to expect. But I posted on Instagram and asked you guys like where you go to fast food, like the standard typical places if you're on the go in a pinch.
We got breakfast, McDonald's. We're gonna go to Starbucks, get a drink. You're such a coffee snob. We're gonna go to lunch, Taco Bell. Then we're gonna get a snack or something. I think we're gonna do Jamba Juice.
Yeah.
And then dinner, Cheesecake Factory.
Yeah, so we're trying to find places that you guys will be able to find wherever you're at, or like you stick to, and we're gonna see, like, I mean, I literally have no idea. I've not looked at these menus, no clue what to expect. And we're gonna see how we do.
If you enjoy watching healthy people eat food that's not healthy and the pain that ensues with that, continue to watch. Obviously, Katie's the expert when it comes to healthy eating. I am not. I just follow along with what she tells me to do. So we thought it'd be fun if we did a little challenge between the two of us.
Yes, so I'm normally the one making all the food at home and everything, and just like being like, here Ryan, eat this.
I can cook, for the record. It's like I've been...
Anyway, so we're gonna challenge ourselves. When we go out, we're gonna order totally separately, and we're gonna both do our best and order what we think is gonna be closest to our normal food.
So we're looking at good caloric intake.
Yeah.
We're looking at the healthiest ingredients and like preparation as possible. And then we're also looking to like reduce the amount of sugar and fats.
High protein still. Like I'm all about like you need to have a fat, a protein, and a carb and a vegetable at every meal. And I'm actually very terrified if this is gonna be able to happen.
I wanted to do this because I want to dispel the myth that I don't know what I'm doing. Which one are you most terrified to eat at?
McDonald's. McDonald's for sure. I've seen those things where people like leave out a burger for weeks and it doesn't do anything.
Don't they have healthy food now there?
I don't know. I haven't been there. Brian does not drink coffee.
I don't drink coffee. I'm naturally caffeinated.
He used to have his like screen name and even his Instagram was like Energizer D, because he wakes up just like naturally caffeinated. Not this girl. I need coffee. All right, so we're not officially starting the challenge yet since this one doesn't drink coffee, but I asked my girlfriends what their go-to at Starbucks was, and most of them said a mocha. And you guys, they're so bad. A lot of the Starbucks drinks are just loaded with crazy amounts of sugar and all sorts of junk in them. So I'm gonna show you how to make a healthy Starbucks drink you can get anytime. All right, so here's the deal. I asked about I like looked at their almond milk to see what was in it, and there's so many fillers and additives, which is true for like a lot of almond milks. I asked if they have organic, regular milk. They don't. Everything just has so much added stuff, but you guys, a normal mocha has 34 grams of sugar. That is like 10 grams more than the normal recommended amount for any person's body in a day, even if it's coming from fruit. Crazy town. So almond milk here is sweetened as well. It has added sugar also, and their coconut one has added sugar. Like you just like can't avoid it. But a better way to do it is to get a black coffee, get the almond milk on the side so you get less. If you were to get a latte, which is normally my go-to, you know, I would have like 2 ounces of espresso and then like sugar milk to the top, which is gonna be rough. So this is a way to start to wean yourself off of that. And they do have the sugar-free options for the mochas here, but you guys, they also are gonna have all of those calories, and you're gonna have all the additives in there that are gonna get you addicted to sugar, and it's not gonna help break that habit. So milk, steamed, going in, and I get a little bit less. And a little tip too, if you are on the go, I don't know if they have it here, let's actually check, but a stevia, if you need a sweetener, is gonna be a better option than the synthetic-y garbage ones that they have in the syrup. Yes, monk fruit and stevia. So like this is, if you're at Starbucks, sweeten it with this if you need a sweetener for sure. I'm used to like plain, so I'm good, but this is where I would definitely go. Last bit to add flavor, chocolate, cinnamon.
I feel like I'm already winning the challenge because I didn't get that, so I'm already better off.
So clean, you guys. But I don't know, I think you're scared.
I'm not scared.
I think you're scared.
I'm not scared. I know what I'm doing here. I can make healthy decisions.
We'll see. So we quickly realized we have no idea where McDonald's is.
Like, why would I even know? I mean,
Hey Siri, where's the closest McDonald's? I want her to pay attention. Why isn't she talking back? She gave me directions. Alright, we got it.
Are we close to one?
Yeah, it's like 10 minutes.
Breakfast challenge starts right now. I feel like I'm definitely gonna win this one because I'm kind of a breakfast aficionado.
Here we go.
Oh, there it is.
It's magical. Dun 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 dun. Ooh, there's a playground. You ready?
Yep.
I'm actually very nervous because you guys know I've been having my skin issues I talked about in my hypo update vlog, and processed food and bad skin like don't really go together, so.
Decisions.
I need glasses.
Katie needs a paper menu.
I know, I was gonna ask and I don't think so.
I'm expecting a ball pit, expecting some colorful designs. Nope. Not nice. Not gonna play in this. Okay, fine. I'm gonna go down the slide. Oh my. Okay, not made for kids. No. Not big kids. Oh wow. Okay. This is not gonna go well. That was not great. Katie's probably like, where did he go? Oh, there she is.
So stressful.
You done?
So stressful.
All right, my turn.
Okay, I'm not gonna lie, that was really stressful. I don't know why, like it just gave me anxiety trying to figure out what to order. I'm gonna see if I can sneak on what Ryan's doing. He has no clue. No clue what to do. Let's see what you got.
I can tell you. I can tell you.
Do you feel confident?
I feel pretty good. I think I made the right choice here.
Okay.
Thank you.
I know already it's girl one. Just by looking at it real fast. This is a mine.
You got two?
Sure did. I'll explain.
All right, so what did you get? Give us the full rundown.
All right, so essentially I got 2 egg McMuffins. I ditched the American cheese because that is plastic. And I'm not gonna eat this because I don't know what it is exactly. And I'm not gonna eat the bun because it's not sprouted and I have my digestive issues. So I'm essentially I'm eating 2 eggs. What did you, okay, tell me everything. What's happening?
All right, so here's, I thought I made better choices here. I got a, what did I get?
Is that a biscuit?
Yeah, I got, what? I got, oh shoot, I thought it was English muffin. Okay, I got a sausage, no, I got a bacon, egg, and cheese biscuit.
I'm gonna just break this down for you. First of all, like I'm all good with cheese, you guys, but not this plastic cheese, gone. And an English muffin, if you got an English muffin, that would be way better. And you can have that. I just don't because of my stomach. But a biscuit is like butter, just like pure butter.
Okay, but the calories were lower on this one, on the menu than the other one.
Well, I don't know, but it's not always about calories.
Ugh.
It's also about what you're putting in your body. I'm gonna be perfectly happy with my eggs.
Can I, oh, you got nice eggs too. Why did I get these eggs?
Fail.
Why is that egg different?
Let's go ahead and say
that egg's way better.
that's a 1 for Katie and a big fat 0 for you.
Round 1 done. We're gonna call it a win for Katie.
Insert cheering sounds here. Yep, Katie wins.
So what was your final, like, this is the one to do?
Get the McMuffin, no cheese, no ham, or whatever the meat is they put on it. Get 2 of them. Take the 2 eggs, stack them into 1 English muffin. Then you got yourself a little sandwich. Only downside I would say is literally having 0 like vegetable type option. That kind of stinks. But otherwise, I win. Yay.
I'm ready for some lunch.
Yeah, round 2. This is kind of weird because most people go to fast food because they are out and about. We came home and worked and now we're going to fast food. But we're doing it for you guys. For you.
I need to win this one. Drive through or go in?
Ooh, go in because it's gonna take me like an hour to look at the menu.
Deliver.
Here we go. They deliver?
Grubhub.
What?
That's cool. Katie doesn't know it, but I have a secret trick for Taco Bell. I'm gonna have to pull out because I need this win. Just wait.
Ooh, is that mine? Ooh. look at this. There's nothing in it. It's beans and chicken and lettuce, some cheese. They didn't say there was cheese or sour cream on it though, so.
Well.
There's not a lot of information about their menu. I asked if there's any sauces and they said there's an avocado ranch and they took that off. I got that on the side, but they didn't mention the others. Well, I think it's still pretty good because even with everything on it, it said it was 500 calories. So at least save probably like 50 here. All right, Ryan is going to get his. Well, you can see mine, so mine look much healthier.
Oh, I don't know though.
Burritos?
I got a burrito and a taco, and I think it's better than that.
How?
The secret little menu here at Taco Bell, and not everyone knows about, you can actually order any of the items on the menu, including this Burrito Supreme and the soft taco, fresco style. So what that means, hold on, I googled this.
How do you know this?
Did
you cheat?
I don't like to lose. No, it's not cheating. I did research, that's fine. Here's what they say. Fresco style, it replaces mayo-based sauces when it also reduces cheese, takes out cheeses, also reduce fat, sour cream, and guacamole on any menu items.
Again, we don't normally count calories, but like eating out I think is important because you can sometimes get one meal that has like 1,000 calories and that's terrible.
Katie's bowl, 500 calories. Not bad, pretty good, pretty clean for the most part. My fresco burrito plus my fresco chicken taco, 480 calories.
Both of them?
Together. Boom, boom, boom.
That's good. On a calorie, you win. He wins.
You could just get in here and eat this just straight up.
Oh, you're just showing off now. Now he's like, now my 480 calorie bowl is only 300 calories. Okay, so our overall vote for McDonald's was obviously I won, but it was a big thumbs down. Taco Bell, Ryan is winner, chicken lunch. And I would give it like a thumbs up. I'm not gonna start eating here unless, but like now I know if I need somewhere to go and there's like nothing else, like it's a great option. All right, so it is gym time, and by gym time I mean going to the gym to do hot body sweat guide, just to get out of the house time. And I'm not gonna lie, my stomach doesn't feel great.
Ugh, me either.
You guys, and we didn't even, I think it's just like we eat so clean and we make most of our food at home that even though it's still like healthy, it's low calories, it was like protein packed, all of that, it's just like it's not necessarily the quality that we're used to, and that is making my stomach a little naughty. But it's okay, we're gonna go work it out.
That was a lot harder than normal.
Honestly, I think that it really shows you the quality of the food you're eating impacts how you feel, because I haven't felt nauseous in like 5 years during a workout, and that was gross.
Yeah, don't mistake what we're saying, that the things we're getting are actually good for you. I mean, they're better.
Better, for sure.
And they're lower calorie,
Yeah.
but lower calorie is not everything.
No, so now we're gonna go get a post-workout smoothie full of all the goodness since I've had barely any actual vegetables today. And Ryan's actually really good at this because we do it together often, so this one's like...
It's a non-qualifying round.
Yeah, but we want to show you guys how to order really good smoothies out, because I know when I was trying to lose 45 pounds and lose all my weight, I thought like, oh, smoothie, it's healthy. And I didn't understand why I wasn't losing weight. Now
So we're gonna go to Jamba Juice because they maybe don't have, if you go to Jamba Juice, you probably think their smoothies are healthy, but some of them are not that healthy. So we're gonna go there and try to do it right.
Full book.
That's good.
Ooh, yeah. All right, so if I were coming into a smoothie place and I was like, ooh, a super like acai antioxidant smoothie, that sounds great. Well, the small one has 310 calories, no big deal, but you guys, sugar, 52 grams of sugar. Look at the large, 91. Ah, that's insane. We're not gonna do that. We're gonna build our own smoothie. That's what Ryan and I always do. Build it, make it way healthier and good to go. Can we do like a build your own smoothie?
We're not really, you can't do a build your own, but what you can do is like pick a smoothie and take out what you don't like and put in what you want.
Okay. I think that's good. Yes. That was way harder than I thought it'd be.
It got really expensive really fast too. Like normally the one we ordered I think is like $5, but it ended up being like almost $8 each.
Yeah, like $15. I'm just shocked that they don't let you customize it. Like you can't just build your own. That's kind of crazy. I mean, you can, but you have to pick one and then basically change everything about it, which is so bizarre. But we did it.
We did it.
It's possible, you guys.
Cool. And I mean, the good news is we're gonna avoid the like 50 plus grams of sugar. That's crazy.
That's seriously
Don't
insane.
order a Jamba Juice with 50 grams of sugar.
Don't order one off the menu, period. Like, don't keep it the way it is. You gotta cut some of that stuff out because they're crazy sugar filled. It was a lot of work, but it was worth it.
That's pretty good.
It actually is. It's very delicious. But you guys, here's the only thing. If you have a local place, especially if a local place has like organic spots, go there because this was like the same price as when you go fully organic. All right, so my hair is washed and clean and ready for Aspen. I'm in the middle of packing. As you can see, it's a little bit of a crazy town in here. And we're keeping it going, but instead of going to drive-through fast food, tonight we are going to get Cheesecake Factory. But I'm excited to see what we can get.
I have the menu up on my computer.
Okay, let's go. Check.
So it says they have 250 dishes made fresh from scratch. So
Holy moly.
that's a lot of dishes.
That's so many bags. You guys, this looks like we have food for 8 people.
They were like, would you like forks and napkins for 4? And I was like, oh.
Okay, so we collaborated on one thing. So we're like, if you're to go out to a restaurant or get fast food, like out to dinner, most people are gonna wanna get an appetizer. So we picked an appetizer together. That is the only thing we both know. So find that and we can chat. All right, so the appetizer we got are these Thai chicken lettuce wraps. And they look pretty good. They're super clean. The only thing I'd say is it's like massive amounts of wasteful plastic that they're in, which is why it looks like so much food. But basically there's pieces of lettuce in here. So I'm gonna use a piece of lettuce. I'm gonna put some of this grilled chicken in it. In here we have fresh cucumber, carrots, and bean sprouts. And then there's some weird noodle. I'm not gonna do the noodle because I don't know what it is. And then there's also sauces that they put, like these 3 different sauces, but I guarantee they're probably just full of sugar. So again, avoid the sauces when you can. Ditch the sauce. If you have like a sriracha sauce or something spicy like at home that has like low or no sugar, go with that for sure, or ask when you're out. We unveil at the same time.
Sure.
Like,
all right, ready?
Yeah. Set. Go.
Boom. I'm already concerned because I see a lot of green on Katie's side.
Mine is so
What'd you get?
green. I got a turkey burger and it's like half, it's like turkey.
We got the same thing.
We're so basic.
Are you serious?
You didn't get beef? You don't really ever do beef.
No,
either.
I got a turkey burger. They have 250 menu items and we ordered the same freaking thing.
I've trained him well, you guys.
But you have stuff I don't have.
Yeah. So I did mine lettuce wrapped, which is like protein style.
She went off menu. See, I was like playing by the rules.
It's Skinnylicious.
Oh, you got the Skinnylicious one.
This looks like a mayo. No, thank you. I'm not gonna do that. And then I got a side salad with a balsamic and olive oil dressing. You are such a sweet potato fiend. Like, if there is a sweet potato fry on any menu, you go for it. How did you think you were gonna win? No, I mean, this is still like a way better option. Here's the thing with the french fries. Yes, sweet potato fries are better, which I know we always argue about this, but at the end of the day, it's still fried food. And fried foods in general are not good for your body for a bazillion different reasons. One of the major ones though is just because like, you don't know what kind of oil they're using and that can lead to serious breakouts.
I just didn't expect you to
out.
go side salad, and that was my mistake.
Okay, so wait. I think this means I win. You could ditch your bun.
By a hair, because we have the same meat. I have lettuce too, I have tomato too.
Yeah.
But the fries and my bun.
Yeah, you would have still lost with the bun.
Make me the loser.
I love you anyway. PSA, sometimes sweet potato fries matter more.
Too sexual of a burger right there. You're like in a Carl's Jr. commercial.
All right, so just to recap, I won breakfast this morning with my modified egg McMuffin.
That was a good one.
Yeah, that was really good. Ryan won lunch at Taco Bell with his secret menu, you little sneaky secret menu stuff. And then I won our dinner with my protein style, no fries. So that makes me the ultimate winner. Hopefully you guys liked this video. I had so much fun.
It was fun.
It was fun competing against you. If you did, give it a thumbs up, comment below because it totally helps support the channel and lets us know what you want to see more of for these Vlog Thursdays. I love you guys so much. We'll see you next time.
Bye.
Bye.